Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu salukwa sendoda lesugogo Bathini Mbatha namhlanje sikhuluma ngomnotho waphakade kusewuyena isalukwa sendoda umavula kuvalwe emzini yamadoda uLocksmith namhlanje sithe asikhulume ngesimo somnotho waphakade. Gogo yini umnotho waphakade? Umnotho waphakade it's anything that you do which is not selfish. Umnotho waphakade it's something that it's working for you usaphila that will still benefit the next generation, which is your children, your wife, your husband, whoever ophila naye and whoever that is depending on you when it comes to issue of into eyangaphansi ngaphansi kwempumulo. And then omunye umnotho kubo kuye kube umnotho wokuthi you're just gonna have money, have been rich, or afford or live a lifestyle that you need alone, and then by the time you die, by the time you leave this world, you live with everything that you have done. It's not fair. It's not fair, Nganzakwethu. Let's stay away from such uktwala. Let's stay away from such umnotho. Let's stay away from such insila yemali, because what is the point of wena ukuthi uphile kodwa uma usuhamba emhlabeni uhambe nakho konke lokho ade ukusebenzeni? What is the point? What is it that you want to achieve on that? Yini ozosizakala ngayo at the end of the day? It's nothing. Uzoshiya usizi ngemuva kuthiwa hey kwakuphilo laphana, hey impilo yayilaphana, hey kwakungamatekisi, kwakufiwa kwakhiwa itezi, kwakuyini kwakuyidolopha. We were looking up to that family, but namhlanje na buku ingane zakhona ziyahlupheka, buku ingane zakhona seyiphuza kangakanani, buku ingane zakhona seyizalele ekhaya, izinto efana lezo. We don't need such ukuthwala. We need umnotho waphakade. Today for 2021 we introducing igubhu ezintsha. Igubhu lezi ezintsha sizibiza ngokuthi umnotho waphakade. Nalezi esivele besizenza nazo zo umnotho waphakade, but these ones are an upgrade from the ones besizenza, and we still gonna continue nale group lezi bezikhona vele esesize abantu abaningi. We know ukuthi abanye bebangakayitholi igroup because of ngibenenkinga yokuthi ngi-admit esibhedlela, so angizange ngisakwazi ukuthi ezizinto siyiphusha, but asibalekile siyaqhubeka. We are not a fly by night people. They know where I'm based. We're continuing, especially those who have been patient with me. I salute you. Thank you so much. And then let's continue. So these igubhu says introduce, they are just an upgrade. It's another level of igubhu. It's something at New Zealand India last year, and then it took exactly 1 year to prepare for igubhu lezo ukuthi sengayisebenzisa. You know, when you go to such countries and then bakutshela ukuthi okay sizokunika something, this is what you're going to do with it, it's going to take exactly a year before you can start introducing such things to people. Yabona mo fly by night impela ujuluka wedwa, because awunasikhathi. We fly by night phela when into yaziyo uqola abantu, you don't have that time. I will be not that patient, but mina I was patient enough, and then I've waited. And then the last month that I've waited, it was January, which is it was a force ngilinde, because I was in hospital. There was nothing I could do, so I couldn't stress or counting okay, this is the last month manje I'm pushing. I was not even aware and everything, but when I came back home, when I checked that and I found it's matured, it's fun, it's exactly the way they told me ukuthi izoba ngakhona, meaning anginokwanga angirojwanga ukuthi nginikwa into ukuthi hambe uyobambelela kulento lena kuze kuphela unyaka, only to find out ukuthi kuphela unyaka there's no movement kulento leyo. But luckily umnotho waphakade usoredi manje. Umnotho waphakade ke is going to be in 3 sizes. ilokhuzana umnotho waphakade is going to be in 3 sizes. Let me introduce it to you so that you have an idea. This is the first one. This is the first one. Into enjena. This is the first one that we're going to have. This one is the smallest. You find it in square, you find it in round, and then the square one and the round one, they don't perform the same duties, or rather they don't work for the same business. And then there's always a source, a hamba nayo ilokhuzana. If the source it's square, is for a square one. If the source is round, is for round one. That's the one that looks at. This one is the smallest one that we've introduced. The smallest one ngithanda kakhulu for people who are still working. You must remember ukuthi ezinye groups zethu they couldn't accommodate rather abantu abasebenzayo. We wanted people abazoba nebusiness izinto esifana lezo, but this one it accommodates people abasebenzayo so that uyabona usebenzelani, uyabona wenzani, uyabona ukwazi ukwakha kini, ukwazi ukwakha umuzi wakho, ukwazi uganwa, ukwazi ugana izinto efana lezo, izinto zakho zimove while you are still working. And it also helps you to come up with good ideas ukuthi what can you do in terms of to invest the little money that you have or the little money that you are earning every month, so that into zakho zokwazi ukuthi ze pick up. Everything is going to happen naturally ngokomuthi. There's no magic yet again, there's no ama boys yet again, there's no snake that goes with it yet again. It's pure muti that we found from India, that I came with it last year January from India. So in India, my trip from India, let me touch base kancane on that. In India bengele izinto ezithu, bengele lokho, and then as well as izinto zokuthi mhlambe you find yourself endlini kwakho akusahlaleki, kunelwane, kunezinto efana lezo. We are able now, that thing now it took 1 year ukuthi si prepare yokuthi sikwazi ukususa izilwane no matter what or kind of isilwane engenzeka sikhona esimini sasekhaya. And then 2, nokuthi futhi siqhubeke ngesimo seziko lelokhuzana lomnotho ngesimo somnotho waphakade. So umnotho waphakade wesibili esinawo, it's a size that it's a bit up than that one is this size. Jobe bona lena is this size. So on this size, what is important, they all come with lids. These ones ngizivulile because ngisadidiyela. So this size, it helps for the beginners. This one, it's good for beginners into business. You have started a business, you are done with the compliance yako, you are done with everything, your admin is absolutely up to scratch, your books are up to scratch and everything. Now you need something that will sustain the business, that will move the business, that will make sure ukuthi business yako goes to the direction oyifisayo ukuthi yenzeke. This is the one for you. So the first one, it deals a lot from people abangenayo business abasebenzayo to people thola ukuthi unemali nje ukuthi anga afforda umnotho waphakade kodwa akakabi nento anayo ukuthi une business elikhona or izinto ezifana lezo. Is going to help you. And then the second one, it deals with people who are still starting. So people, don't be confused ngani zakwethu. Nibuza ukuthi okay, lese sinye uthi ugogo sisebenza ngokuthi abantu abangakabi notho and everything, which means maseka notho fana thathe sinye na. No, awuthathe sinye sona leso sokwazi ukukusebenzela unless you want to get to the next gear, uzokwazi ke ukuthi ungene to the next gear. Then we have the third one. That one is for existing businesses that you used to make money, or that you know this business was supposed to make money, but it's not making money. Here we are not talking about small businesses, we are talking about large businesses. We are talking about businesses that were supposed to produce a lot of money, but they are not. And then your competitors are making a hell lot of money, but when you are not, and you don't know what to do. You can't start in this too. You can't start on this one, because this one is going to delay you. It's for people vele abasebenzayo that have a certain salary. It's a person onero madlanya leyo uyithola stokfeleni noma imali yakhe njena ade local saver noma kunomsebenzi ade wenza wathola imali. This one it won't help you. This one as well, it won't help you, because this one, it's meant for businesses that are starting off. Yes, you want to be produce a lot of money, a lot of products or whatever, but in terms of imali awangeni awabisegiyeni, or rather ready ukuthi you can receive large amounts, and you're still starting. You usalungiselela. You need this one, okay? But usuyiqalile business yakho. Then the third one that we going to talk about is this one. This one is the one that you need to get. Your business, it's big. Your business valley, it's happening, or rather it's supposed to be happening. Your business was supposed to be producing a lot of money and everything, but your business is not doing well. Ama-tax ayafa, ama-branches amanye uyavala and everything. This one is also good in terms of a business that is branch orientated, whereby you have this branch here, like your funeral palace. You had 20 branches, suddenly you have one branch that you don't know ukuthi nayo isazo survivor na and everything. Then you need to get to that big one. So at the end of the day, make sure ukuthi at home there is somebody that knows what you are doing, because this is not ubuthakathi. You are just enhancing what you have. It's a boost on what you have. It's not ubuthakathi. So you don't have a reason why you're hiding it. You don't have a reason why you're hiding it, because you hide something whereby izolimaza abantwana, izoqeda umuzi, it's a big secret and everything. Yes, iyathanda iziko lomnotho ukuhlala emfihlakalweni, but ihlala emfihlakalweni just for the dignity of it. But not that it's a big secret, it's something that we are targata. Yeah, people will die now at home. It's a headache for everybody. No, it's not. It's not. It's totally not. There is nothing wrong with Umnotho waphakade. There's nothing wrong with iziko lomnotho. All you have to do, have somebody that you trust and say, like haya naku okusincedisayo, naku kusipha amandla ngaphezulu kwalamandla vele bekade sinawo. And make sure ukuthi mawuzolanda lezi igroup, you don't have isigroup esekhaya osithathe komunye umuntu. Believe in what you have. Don't be too excited and say, now I don't want what I have, I want another one. Kanti usubulala into vele adunayo bekade kusebenzela because of the excitement of something new. Unless lento le ayisebenzi, it's either uphindisele emuva or uyayilahla or uyayishisa. It's up to you. I can't be more on that. Then we make sure ukuthi you start a new journey. So make sure as well ukuthi when you come, you've got all the time. Don't come here with timelines for us ukuthi uzothatha ilokuzana umnotho waphakade. You want umnotho waphakade to work within isikhathi esingaka. Izinto efana lezo is not going to work. It is not going to work for you. Why, Gogo? It's because that's how it is designed. That's how it is designed. Ukuthi umnotho waphakade, while it deals with you, it opens channels for the next generations to come. So that's why ngisho ukuthi kule mawukhuluma uyakhuluma nangengane zakho nginengane usibusiso usikhumbuzo ushumle insizwa usibani ngiyacela nabo ukuthi nibavulele inhlanhla ngisho esikoleni ngisho ecrash uyakwazi ukubika ingane ese-crash eku-grade R uyakwazi ukuyibika ukuthi ucela into zazi ekhanye angahluphe esikoleni into zakhe zambe kahle konke okufisayo ukuthi kwenzeke esikoleni noma sekaqedile izinto zakhe zambe kahle wenzela ini you die tomorrow you know ukuthi you live engane zakho usuyibikile esimeni sakho somnotho by the time usungale usuyithongo you continue with what you've already started usaphila so lento lena it's very simple but people they complicate it by thinking ukuthi no it's a magic it's not a magic it has to benefit you it has to benefit the next generation after you and the next obvious nabo bazokhula bazenzele okwabo but ifoundation uzoba usuyileyile for them ukuthi inhlanhla ibe khona and the people bazenza ngcono in hey mina I'm not gonna use this mina ngizozenzela and everything most of the people who succeeded not all but most of the people who are making it in life who are successful in life there is something that they're using and they're not gonna advertise it to you and tell you it's not for public consumption they're not gonna come to you and say hey yabona njengoba ngibona ngilana nyengaye enyangeni kuGogo Bathini Mbatha wanginikeza lento lena ngayisebenzise ingakho ngila everybody moya kuye uthi man hey bafo wenza ngani engane yakwethu ha man mne wethu awungisize man brazo man wenza ngani athi hayi mfethu hey lento lena is all about planning is all about making sure ukuthi wena into zakho uyiphusha kanjani in is all about ama contacts in you go to umfundisi abanye vele it's a natural gift abanye kodwa babuya kuthini uzothi umfundisi omunye athi hayi it's a calling I was called into this and everything akasho ukuthi kukhona into ayisebenzisile kuze abela ekhona comrade waba popular kangaka hey yazi wena comrade maqhamuka nje impela kushawa izandla yonke into uyavunywa kwenza ngani and everything hayi comrade kusho lento lena was born with it eqabane lento kumina and everything akasho ukuthi kukhona into ayisebenzisayo akasho ukuthi kukhona lento ayenzayo eyenza izinto zenzeke akakusho lokho all they will tell you ukuthi no it comes natural it doesn't come natural to everybody other people they have to get an extra help there are people who are born luck there are people who are born with insila yemali there are people who are born with inhlanhla njena naturally izinto zenzeke there are those people I won't lie ngithi akekho umuntu ngithi everybody ngimfake ebhodweni lot but if ever you see ukuthi wena you are not that lucky or you were that luck but other people bebafika bayivala lo nhlanhla leyo you need to do something about it you can't just sit down and relax and say I know everything is sharp ngisharp ngizobona ukuthi ngenze njani ngisharp angazi ukuthi yini inkinga kodwa lento le ngiyazazi mina ukuthi nginjani ngiyazazi mina ukuthi ngizophumelela ngiyazazi mina ukuthi into zami inkinga adi kuphi and everything you need to do something you don't have to relax you don't have to why should you why are you relaxing izinto zonakala izinto iqhubeka ngokonakala you know ukuthi ubona inhlanhla awusena inhlanhla or you know ukuthi vele by nature inhlanhla awunayo awulotshola wena ulotshola wonke umuntu uyadlula kuwena wonke umuntu ukuthembisa umshado uyadlula kuwena mayisayitholile lento ayifuthi ukuyithola wa satisfy injongo nentshisekelo yakhe uyadlula kuwena wonke umuntu esifazane wena uyalobola umuntu ahambe awulotshola kwenye indawo agane kumnandi kube nje ya wena ayikho into oyenzayo ephumelelayo you went to school you qualified you do everything you starting a business yawo besothi the time is not right if the time is not right make it right you must do something you must act towards that you cannot just sit as if you know ukuthi uzofana there are people who are living their lives as if they know ukuthi mina nyofa ngo December 31 ngo 2010 or nyofa ngo December 21 nini you cannot live like that you need to live as if there's no tomorrow do something act on your life. Stand up and do something. Don't just relax. Don't relax. There's no one who's coming to rescue you. You are on your own. The people that you think ukuthi bazoku-advise abazothi uzofika kumuntu one business akutshele about the book ukuthi this is how you run a business and everything. Ngeke akutshene ukuthi mina ngibuya kuGogo Bathini Mbatha, mina ngibuya kumthandazo usibanibani, mina ngibuya kusibanibani kuphi uyena onginikeze umuthi, wanginikeza isigubhu, wanginikeza inyoka, wanginikeza ama boys injoba ubona ibusiness lami linjena ini. Angeke. It's not, again I repeat, it's not for public consumption. There is no way. You can't, you won't find that. You need to stand up on your own. That's why we have platforms as traditional healers. I'm not alone, it's many of us. That's why we have platforms like your YouTube, whereby you can go and research on Google. You get my channel Gogo Bathini Mbatha TV, then you get advices afanala, then you must act. Ukuthi uyapi, it doesn't matter. I'm not saying to people come to me, I'm the best. There are a lot of people who are doing e-group who are good on it. You just have to do your research. Don't just throw yourself anywhere that you don't know ukuthi what's going to happen to you tomorrow, and then the next thing you have a problem, you go to another one. Yazi ngangiyeka usibanibani ungirobhile in. No, you didn't do your research. Noma izinto zenu ayihlangani. So ngani zakwethu, let's act on our lives. Umnotho waphakade ukhona. We start from the first, the one, just to remind you, this one deals with people who are working. It deals with people who are who have money but they don't know where to start. They can have this one, they can start their lives and everything. And then we have the second one. This one is people who are starting into business, who are done. Mangithi starting into business, I don't mean ukuthi starting in terms of ngithi mhlambe ngithi kuwena you still want to. No, you've already started, you had the capital, you started everything, admin, compliance, everything. You just need something now that will move your business to the level that you want. Then there's this one. This one, the last one. This one is a bigger one. It's for the businesses that you know, man, this business was supposed to make money. This business was supposed to be here by now. This business was supposed to do this. I know my competitors, they've got open branches abroad in Africa. They've closed the whole of SADC with their branches. They've got contacts abroad. What? Even locally, this business, even if it's one branch, even if it's one shop, this is what it was supposed to do and everything, and it's not doing it. This is the bigger one. It's meant for that. It's meant for big businesses. So ngani zakwethu ngiyacela, again, do your research. Do your research. Consult with somebody that specializes in that. You don't just throw yourself to anyone. Go to the person that has a more insight on a specific thing. For example, there are people who are traditional healers who are gifted when it comes to kids. They are gifted. Umntwana okhakhayi lumanzi, umntwana uyahoda, umntwana unjena. They are gifted in that. They specialize in kids. You can't come to Gogo Bathini Mbatha nomntwana omncane besothi umntwana makalala ebusuku uyathuka, umntwana amukhakhayi lunjena in. I won't be able to help you because I don't deal with kids. I'm very limited when it comes to things that can help abantwana. But when it comes to ezinye izinto like isimo senhlanhla, isimo sezitha, I know ukuthi with confidence I can say to you I'll be able to help you. Sarwa sendoda uLocksmith, umncwabuhlehlile umafula kuvala emzini amanye amadoda. Don't forget The number for booking is 035 799 5703. 035 799 5703. Remember, Bogogo Nomkhulu, we don't work over the phone. Don't allow anyone to come to you and say, Gogo, Gogo Bathini Mbatha fake imali engaka. We don't work like that. We work from home. We have already started working now. You can make your bookings, make your reserve place to sleep around town. There's a lot of places, Richards Bay, Empangeni CBD. There's a lot of places to stay. You must make your bookings on time. Don't leave indawo ezikude like kunabantu thothi umuntu usuke eCape Town akalungisanga indawo kulala. It's risky on days esiphila kuzo and everything. Don't forget to bring your face mask. Don't forget to bring your own sanitizer, although we have it, but just make sure that you stay safe at all times. Sarwa sendoda Gogo Bathini Mbatha Mkhuphulangwenya Village Thokozani.